Kung gusto mo dumami yung repeat clients mo, kopyahin mo to. Okay? So this is a message that was sent to me after ko magpa-massage the following day. No? So it says here, "Hi Sir Fibo, this is Mark Robles, owner of Koan Massage, reaching out to my personal number. Thank you for choosing us for your massage." So first off, makikita mo na I don't know if totoong owner ba talaga yung nag-reach out sa akin or just a normal staff lang. Pero the fact na like the owner is the one reaching out through his personal number, like just imagine, no? So, ang point ko is the most people remove connection sa business. Like, parang kumbaga nagpa-massage ka, pagkatapos ng massage, okay na yun. Tapos nagtataka sila bakit di bumabalik yung mga tao. And what happens is they blame competition. Sinasabi nila, marami na kasing competition. Pero yung totoong reason bakit hindi bumabalik ang tao sa'yo is because pangit yung service mo at hindi mo lang alam. Hindi mo alam kasi hindi ka nagre-reach out sa kanila. Okay? So dito is sinabi ng to maintain our quality standards. Could you rate your experience? Yung extra comment. Since this is my personal line, the fastest way to secure your next booking is directly to our call center. However, my line is always open if you have any questions. So, just imagine that, no? Just imagine the loyalty your customers would have if ikaw mismo nag-reach out. Of course, hindi naman possible, let's say, habang lumalaking business mo, is you don't want people to be calling you if may concerns sila. So, a key thing here is have a separate phone na you can hand over to your executive assistant. So it is still your personal number, it's just that for business number lang. And you can delegate that to your executive assistant na separate from the normal people who's handling. So if you want repeat clients is actually coming from having really, really great service na kahit mas mahal ka, in fact, ito, nag-price increase nga sila after this, is kahit mas mahal ka, babalik at babalik pa yung customer sa'yo. Kasi you have this personal connection and you know if there's problems, you know what to improve kasi mismong hands-on ka sa nangyayari sa customers at sa staff mo.